In this video, I'll show you how to invite a collaborator on YouTube. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now open up your YouTube. Click on this upload, like to upload a video. So I'm going to select one of my videos, for example. So I'm going to just click on this. So once it comes out, if you scroll, I'm going to be able to see invite a collaborator. So click on it. So you can come on here and search for the channel you want to send a collaboration invite. So I think one of my friends, how to guides. So you can see his channel. You can see his channel. So once you click on it, you're going to be able to see this option, right? Create link. So once you create a link, you're going to be able to send it. Like once you create a link, you're going to be able to send it to my friend. That is how to guides. So once he accepts it, I can be able to collaborate with him here on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next video.